Obi says to Soludo in his epic reply, "You are a professor. I am a trader. Watch."
When you spread your investments, some will go up, some will come down. But overall, the company is still there. The company is still doing well. It's still part of a global chain and everything. I needed to explain it not because I'm defending comment by my brother. My brother is the brother. I remain my brother. We're very close. I remain prayerful for him. For other things which I didn't succeed, God has given him opportunity to do it and succeed. For me, yes. So if there's anything pending, governance you don't finish. People are still in government in America. So you stop where you stop. Other people will continue from there. I don't look back. He's the governor of my state. I'll always, it's my senior brother. He's even more intelligent because he's a professor. I'm a trader. So he knows more. So he will be able to do things better than I'm doing it. You know, I've done my little one as a trader. Now the professor is there. He will do his own as a professor. The schools that didn't roof, he will roof them. That's how government goes. Another person comes, do his own. But let us think about, finally, like I tell you people, for those of you who are, just please get involved.
Welcome to Open Whispers channel with Chris Digos. See something, say something, and please do something. When the king's man cook for an individual, he never finishes the food, according to Chinua Achebe. But when an individual cooks for his kinsman, they will finish it, the food, and lick their fingers. Professor Charles Soludo, in summary, Obi says, "You are a giant, I am a dwarf. But can you allow both of us to thrive in the same environment?" Government is a continuum. He's pointing you out to the challenges of Anambra State, where he stopped, where Obi not stopped. It is your turn to continue. This is Open Whispers channel. Let me know what you think in the comment section about what Obi said. Humility and arrogance. What is the difference? When a man prevents his kinsman from becoming a king, he doesn't know he's denying himself the opportunity of having access to the palace too. When a man is dancing the surrogate dance, don't you think the man should be told that surrogate dance, according to the Igbos, is the dance of the dead? Be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. And watch out for our next episode, Soludo further exposed by people like Dora Akunyele. Until then, cheers.